Uh, okay, for that, you need actually a parameter that shows the length, right? So here it's first let me to make it renderable, and this now. Well, I'm gonna add a new parameter, a new custom attribute to this line that will record the length of the line. Okay, so that we need an empty modifier. The empty modifier names attribute holder, and then you go to animation, parameter editor, and then you can add custom parameter to your object. Well, I will say length, and this length can vary from 0, of course, it cannot be negative, to assume a biggest length of your object, which you could possibly have, would be 2000, and then you just click on add when you're sure that the selected object, the current modifier is selected. So now I have a modifier with one custom parameter. Well, let's see if I just select this one. So you can see the new modifier is there, and then I can use the length parameter. Well, the distance between, I'm not sure if I have, but it, because let me see. So vector controller. Oh, it's not here. So let me check if this is here. Okay, I have the vector length, but I need to create a vector. That's one way, is that you create a vector from A to B, which is A minus B, and the A would be the first point, which is a link, right? Link controller, and the link controller would be will link to the sub-object, and then it's vertex 1, okay, and everything is fine here. I think we are relative, and 0 means it's object itself, and you just need to copy this here, and then we can choose the second vertex. Okay, so we have vector controller. Let me show you how it works. So the length here, calculate the length of this vector, because this is, it's here, right here. I'm calculating the length of this vector. And a vector is what? Vector is the vector connecting A to B. As you know, A minus B means the vector connecting A to B. And what is A, what is B is the first vertex and the second one, which I use link controller to do that. So let's see if I update this. Now each one is 35 point something. I think all of them are same. So let's try something to see how it works. Now copy, okay, and then we'll get minus 10 to 10. So now I scatter the random, the vertices randomly, okay. So if you update the array, you will get, like, for example, this one is 16, this one is, oh, that one is 16 too. How come? Let me update that. Okay, it wasn't updated. So now it's 19, 8, 18, 6, and so on. That's how you can measure the length. So if you go with let's make it more like 50 objects, okay, and you can actually visualize the length using the paint utility. This is also new. So I can paint the length value, I mean the objects using the length value. And if you click on this minimum and maximum, it will calculate the minimum length and maximum length. And green means short, and green means 6.5, and red means 23. So the longest item in the my array is now this one. I can just recognize this. And if you want to change the color code, you just right click on this and you get here this gradient. I can actually add blue if I want to. So I'm gonna make this one quickly. This is green, that's fine. And this one I will say blue. Turn it to blue. So actually let's see how it looks like. So you can see more variation